Transform your Shopify store by leveraging the power of your Amazon reviews. Today, we're diving into a game changer for your online business, importing customer reviews directly from Amazon to your Shopify store using the fantastic Judge Map. First things first, ensure you have the Judge Map installed and set up on your Shopify store. If you haven't already, head over to the Shopify App Store and search for Judge. Once you're in your Judge dashboard, look for the Import Reviews option. This is where the magic happens. Click on it, and you'll see several import sources. Select Amazon as your source. Now, you'll need to grab the Amazon product URL for the specific item whose reviews you want to import. Navigate to that product on Amazon. Copy the entire URL from your browser's address bar. Head back to Judge and paste that Amazon product URL into the designated field. Then, click the Fetch Reviews button. Judge will work its magic and pull in all available customer reviews from that Amazon listing. You'll see them populating right here. You have the power to choose which reviews you want to import. Judge allows you to select individual reviews or import them in bulk. Take a moment to review what's being imported to ensure it aligns with your brand. Once you've made your selections, simply click the Import Reviews button to transfer them to your Shopify store. And just like that, your Amazon reviews are now enhancing your Shopify product pages. This provides crucial social proof, builds instant trust with potential buyers, and ultimately, can significantly boost your conversion rates by showcasing genuine positive feedback. Start importing your Amazon reviews today and let Judge help you leverage that valuable customer feedback to grow your Shopify success.